Spring is almost here, and to celebrate we're gonna make light, crispy meringue cookies, but not just any meringue cookie, but beautiful ones. It is time to start the meringue. This meringue is a French meringue because we're gonna bake it. If you're gonna use the meringue to decorate a cake or to serve it just like that to your guests and friends, always use the Italian meringue that is already cooked with a very hot sugar syrup. To make the French meringue, you're gonna need 4 egg whites. But do not throw away the egg yolks. Those you can use to make a delicious crème brûlée, and I'm gonna leave the link for that recipe in the description section. You also need a cup of custard sugar. Custard sugar is a sugar that is super fine and it's gonna dissolve better when mixing the egg whites. Also 1/4 of a cup of cream of tartar, and try to not skip this one, and a pinch of salt. Also 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste or vanilla extract. So let's start making it. The egg whites are already foaming. When the foaming starts to come like froth in your egg whites, that's the time you want to start adding the cream of tartar and pinch of salt. It's time to start adding the sugar, and we added tablespoon by tablespoon, very slowly, but your patience is going to be worth it because the meringue is going to be light and crispy without any sugar crystals in it. Now add the vanilla bean paste. The meringue color is going to slightly change when you add the vanilla bean paste, and that's okay because they're going to be delicious. But if you don't like that changing of color, you can add and substitute instead of the vanilla, lemon or lime extract, or even almond extract, something that can be clear and no changing the color of the super HD white meringue. Now beat until it can hold a very high peak. Now let's check if it can hold a peak. Perfect. I have here baking sheets lined with parchment paper. I'm putting a little bit of meringue on the end of each parchment paper to ensure that it doesn't move in the process of baking. Divide the meringue that you just made in 4 and color each of the meringue balls with different colors. I choose to color my first one in light pink. I have here 2 bags, one fitted with the M1 Sunny and the other one with the 12 Sunny. They are not sponsors, don't worry, but I like these tips. So let's make the flamingo. I'm gonna use this kind of pop sticks so the flamingos can be easy to grab. And the body is going to be a flower, just that simple. Like these. Now I'm going to make little drops of meringues, and I went ahead and put a little line of 2 different colors inside my decorating. We also can make flowers just like this. Dollop, dollop. And then you put the pop stick on top of the dollop and make a rose on top of it. Like this. The meringues are ready, and these little cute flamingos you can give at any party, birthday party, tea party, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and see you guys next time here in Cooking with Hilda.